Welcome, math students and hopefully some teachers. This is my math course for solving multi-step equations with a variable on both sides. My name is Brian McLogan and I am a math teacher in Jacksonville, Florida. And I designed this course to use within my classroom to kind of help students along. That one student that, my instruction maybe might have been too slow and they just wanted to move along. I had this course provided for them so they could work at their own pace. But it was also very helpful to use for students that were really struggling and having a hard time with what we were going on in class, to be able to use as a refresher and to always reinforce their skills. So the way that I use this, not only using this course within the classroom, but the way that I provide the information to help out the student is set off with some essential questions. And these are exactly the questions that I want the student at the beginning to be thinking about, and as well at the end to kind of sit back and reflect and say, all right, did I understand and did I learn exactly what I was supposed to be learning? I go over some essential questions as well as processes that you're going to need to know to be able to solve multi-step equations with the variable on both sides. And a lot of these are just, similar to solving equations, one step, two step, or a multi-step with the variable on the same side. I then go ahead and provide multiple different examples for you to be able to work on and try really your hand and see, how well do you know how to solve multi-step equations, and how well can you kind of follow along through my process videos. Well, each and every example is different, so it's not the same of you doing the same problem over and over and over again. It's really you attempting and working at the problem and seeing how well you know how to do them. But if you get stuck or you want to go and check your solution, every single example that is provided in this course is accompanied with a step-by-step tutorial. So it's there pretty much to show you exactly how to do all these problems if you need the work. But if you don't and you can just move along, you're good to go. So I finally end up the course by, again, going over, reviewing with those essential questions, as well as providing some challenge problems for the students that maybe get done early, that want to kind of go on to prepare themselves for the next level. And lastly, I go over a summary video that, again, reinforces the skills that are learned and taught in this course, as well as go over some common tips and tricks, as well as some common mistakes that I see through myself solving problems, as well as with my own students. So there we go, ladies and gentlemen. That is pretty much everything I have to tell you about the course. I look forward to working with you and helping you out. Thanks.